gotta go. Bye-bye, birdies. We'll see you tonight at the Songbird Soiree.
Goodbye!
Timmy! Sparks! Buddy!
Tweet, tweet, tweet! Oopsie kitty!
And Bitsy! SuperKitties! Supercharge!
Sparks, power up the Super Kitty Kit. Let's see who needs our help.
Super Kitty Kit, yeah!
SuperKitties, help!
Sam, Eddie, what's going on?
We're supposed to bring a microphone to the Songbird Soiree for everyone to sing into.
The problem is, it was stolen!
Hang on, we're getting another call.
SuperKitties, help!
Goldfinch family, what's happening?
We were setting up for the Songbird Soiree at the gazebo, but someone stole the string lights we brought to light the stage and the stage curtain we made out of leaves. We can't have a concert if we don't have lights or a curtain.
Or a microphone!
Everyone's gonna be so sad if there's no concert. Especially Ricky. He was so excited to sing.
Don't worry, everyone. We're gonna find everything that's missing and save the soiree. Pause in, Super Kitties. We're brave.
We're smart. We're strong.
We're kind.
Super Kitties, go!